Even the most seasoned automakers don't always get inventory right. For multiple reasons, from production rates to market response, this formula can fall into disarray, leaving dealers and automakers with an excess, sometimes a big one. CarEdge recently crunched the numbers, measuring the number of days it would take to sell out all the available inventory of a vehicle based on daily sales rates. This effort attempts to look at which vehicles are currently selling the fastest and the slowest, and the report yielded some interesting results. For one, the 3 fastest selling vehicles on the market this September are all made by the same automaker, and the 2 slowest selling ones are both products of a different single company. Let's start at the top of the heap. If you're in the market for a Toyota Highlander, RAV4, or Camry, you might have some competition. CarEdge shows these 3 models with a market supply of 1 month or less, noting that the second fastest seller, the RAV4, has been purchased more than 57,000 times over the last 45 days. On the other end of the spectrum is Stellantis, maker of the 2 slowest selling models, the Dodge Hornet and the Grand Wagoneer. At current sales rates, it would take more than 400 days to clear out all the inventory of these 2 vehicles, with just 233 Grand Wagoneers having been sold over the last 45 days. Clearing stock is a noted priority for Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares, who acknowledged in July that excess inventory was one of the company's biggest critical issues. The reason this all matters, says CarEdge, is inventory volume is an influential factor in a buyer's ability to negotiate, a problem that may impact dealers significantly if they find themselves sitting on months and months worth of vehicles where they may not be able to demand sticker price. I'm Anna Wells, and this is Manufacturing Now.